Sa inyong tatlo, sinong favorite ni Mami?
Dapat ganun ka din. Kaming lang.
Diba, remember when we were young, as in, how old were we? 12, 11? Dinala na kami sa Tawi-Tawi.
Yeah.
Grade Tapos we were stranded in the boat.
Yeah.
Biglang umulan. Yeah, umulan. As in, bumagyo. Kami nasa ilalim ng ship. Kasi syempre, umulan, we were all wet.
Basang-basa na kami.
All of a sudden, siya with all the Muslims. As in, kasi that's her element eh. That's really her. She loves it there.
Nakita namin yan sa kanya. She really enjoys life and she really lives
and
life.
she wants to learn about it.
Yeah. So, for us,
she's not afraid of anything. She's
talaga.
Nothing.
She's not afraid of anything. Yeah. When she was still president of PPSC, Philippine Public Safety College, I think, yung parang typical politician, syempre maraming nagre-request ng tulong, madaming lumalapit sa kanila. Naghihintay na lang sila ng may hihingi sa kanila. Pero siya, ang nakita ko sa kanya, naghahanap siya ng pwede niyang tulungan. And I realized na it takes a unique kind of person.
Parang nanay talaga.
Nanay talaga. Yeah. Sigurado bang may pagkain na sila. She wants to give everybody the best opportunity to be successful.
To the point already na ang tawag sa kanya ng mga kadete, mom.
Yeah.
Well, I can't think of a time that I needed her and she wasn't there.
Walang particular.
Every time na kailangan nandun siya.
Trying to think of
Tsaka magugulat ka kasi ano ba yung mga pinuntahan niya para sa akin. Nung nagko-compete ako nun sa Europe, tapos nandun na si Maymay, she'll really find a way na mapuntahan niya ako. Nilinis pa nga na yung kwadra ng kabayo ko, nakapalda siyang puti. Tapos sinasabi nila sa akin, pigilan mo siya. Ay, wag na. Don't even try. Wala rin mangyayari dyan. Gusto niyang gawin eh. Gagawin niya yan dahil gusto niyang gawin.
Tsaka wag mo siyang pipigilan.
Oo. No way.
Maraming traits din si mom kasi that is you won't really think na meron siya. Yung goal-getter siya.
Yeah.
And hands-on siya from writing her columns, her articles.
She's a perfectionist.
Also,
so she likes things done.
I think, you never stop being a mother. That's what you learn once you're a mother, no matter how old your child is. And this is something, I guess, even unconsciously, that our mother has transmitted to us. Kasi she can do everything.
I want you to pick one thing. No? If there was one thing that you want to be thankful for to her.
Support.
Kakampi.
Warrior. Nothing is impossible.
Yeah, that's true. We can do it together. No?
We can do it together.
Abadu!
Abadu, Mom!
Abadu, Mom!
Baka kasi maiyak kayo eh pag
Oo nga.